quick lesson on a word they like to test on, which is called the expected value. Let's play a game for a second. Let's flip a coin. And that coin will be a game. If you flip heads, you win $10. If you flip tails, you win nothing. So what is that game? 1/2 of the time, assuming half the time you're going to flip heads, half the time you're going to flip tails, right? Half the time you're going to what? Win $10. But the other half of the time, you're going to win nothing. That's your expected value. It's the probability of the event times how much you win, plus the probability of the event times how much you win. Now let's do this calculation. What's 1/2 of 10? And what's 1/2 of 0? So the expected value, does that make any sense? $10 if you flip heads, $0 if you flip tails. The expected value of 5 ain't never going to happen. You're never going to win $5 in that event. You're either going to win 10 or you're going to win 0. But half the time you're going to win 10, half the time you're going to get 0. So it's sort of like a mean occurrence. You follow? Now let's look at this word problem and see if you can get it. The probability distribution of blah, 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 blah. 1/3 of the time you're going to what? Win $12. Or I don't even know what they're talking about. I don't care. 1/3 of the time I'm going to win 12, but 2/3 of the time, well, not 0, I'm going to win X or K. They don't tell me the number. You want to make it up? Well, they told me what the answer was. The answer was 20. 20 is the expected value, huh? So I don't think it's going to be 8, Bubba, because 12, this K is going to have to be substantially higher than 20, huh? Well, if your two values are 12 1/3 of the time and 8 2/3 of the time, your expected value ain't going to reach 20, huh? Huh? 2/3 of the time, we have to be higher than the expected value. Now, all it is solve this equation. What's 1/3 plus 12? 1/3 times 12. What's 2/3 times K? I changed it to X. I'm a math teacher. So what do? You subtract 4 times it by 3/2. Times it by 3, divide by 2. And the expected X will be 24, which would be the answer. Yes.